Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and here is the last of my order that they broke into like 2 or 3 different shipments. Um, this and the other item that they put in there, which was the fitness ring. Um, it all I had enough. I had like $60 in credit or something like that, and 32 of it was from playing the daily box. But the rest of it was returning 2 items that I didn't like. It didn't turn out really well. So, anyways, these are the items that I picked out. I got some garland. They're like little flag things. They're all kind of the same design, just different colors. I picked up a 2-pack of the extendable wands for dusting, and because I have a ceiling fan here and and I can't get up to it, so I'm gonna need something to extend to it. I picked up a little mandrake. I thought he was gonna be bigger, but I think I have a clay pot that he would fit into. Um, he's like, this one I got like a smiley yet kind of grumpy face. I don't know. And then I got 128. Let's see, where that is that bag from, that one. It is, yes, 128 gigabytes memory card that goes into your phone. It can go this way for the C charger, and then here for the USB, plus you push that, and then it's got the old connector. I don't remember what that one was called anymore. But I can take stuff off of my phone now and put some of it on here, which means I hopefully won't have problems with storage. Because there's sometimes that I want to edit a video or combine 2 videos, and sometimes it's a little hard with storage on my phone. So that's what I picked up. It actually, this whole order cost me $1 something for all of it. So, and another little surprise, I got a settlement from Aurora. I guess I had filled out a thing. The Advocate Aurora Health had a breach, I guess, and I qualified for an $8.97 check. So, yay! I mean, somebody else I told about it, they're like, "Oh wow, $8.96." I said, "That's $8.96 I didn't have a minute ago." So, so yay. Anyways, I gotta go put these away, and start working on how to use that one. I'm sure it's just pretty much a plug and play. But yeah. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, wonderful night, depending on when you watch this. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.